How storytelling drives success in bankruptcy law firms. Storytelling is more than just sharing information. It's about creating a connection. In marketing, it's proven to be 22 times more memorable than facts alone, making it a powerful tool for any business, including bankruptcy law firms. Why? Because stories help people see themselves in the journey. For someone considering bankruptcy, hearing about someone who overcame debt and rebuilt their life can turn hesitation into action. In fact, campaigns that include storytelling can increase conversions by up to 30%. Clients are drawn to stories because they simplify complex processes, like filing for bankruptcy, and provide a clear path forward. They also build trust. Research shows that 86% of consumers prioritize authenticity when deciding which brands or law firms to choose. For bankruptcy attorneys, sharing real-life success stories of clients who've achieved financial freedom not only attracts more clients, but also creates a sense of hope and possibility. By telling relatable stories, your firm becomes more than just a service. It becomes a guide in the client's own journey to success. And what's an effective story? Effective story has a person, right? Single mom. I'm a father of 4. I am a widow. I am a student. Character. Conflict. My God, debt. Collection calls. Frustration. Don't know what to do. I'm confused. I don't know how to talk to. I'm embarrassed. I feel it's immoral. My parents told me never to do this, right? And then the win, right? The win is the key. Now, how do you win in bankruptcy, right? There's a few ways you win in bankruptcy. Number one, you are no longer in debt. So you feel that pressure relief that we've all seen and we've all heard.
Bankruptcy was discharged in January of 2020. Took until September 2nd to get the divorce final. Just in that length of time, I was able to build my credit to the point of purchasing a camper without a cosigner in late September of 2020. Now, in January of 21, I was able to pay that camper off and get another loan for the bike of my dreams. I bought a Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. I'd only dreamed about owning one, and then I finally got to live that dream. I was able to establish new credit with credit cards, which I had to depend on for emergencies only. After going through 720 credit score, my credit score is eclipsed the 730 mark. I'm able to do more with my children, and I can't thank 720 credit score enough for helping me get to that point in my life.
So I've had that ad on Facebook for, I don't know, 3 years, 4 years, and is the number one producing ad. Month after month after month after month after month. It's not polished. You see the guy's eyes going back and forth. He's looking like this. Clearly not an actor, right? He starts with a divorce, right? Had a divorce. There's conflict. He's telling the story, and the story, he's winning. He's buying a camper. He's paying it off. He's at Gettysburg with this Harley Davidson. It's like a win. He's talking in the video that he filed bankruptcy in 2020. People don't even realize it. That ad plays over and over and over and over and feeds you guys leads. All of us have those. And all we have to do is ask our clients, you got an amazing story that would really help people. Would you be willing to put your phone up and just tell your story? Don't try to be perfect. Don't worry about looking great. Just put your phone up and hit record and talk into the camera, talk into the phone for 2 minutes. And that's it. And then send it to me. Research shows that stories are far more memorable than standalone facts because they follow patterns our brains are wired to recognize. One of the most effective patterns has been used for centuries to guide the most compelling stories, and it's one we see everywhere, from ancient myths to modern marketing: the hero's journey. This storytelling shows this hero's journey. That's why we love the movies, these hero journeys, right? over and over and over. Like you just look at Harry Potter. I got young kids, these Harry Potter movies. It's hero journey, hero journey, hero journey, over and over and over. Bankruptcy, as we all know, is the greatest thing for debtors. Yet people don't even realize it. Hey, Sean, good to see you.
Yeah, I mean, if someone wants to double down on that thing, I really enjoyed Donald Miller's book, The Building a Story Brand. I thought
Okay.
that was excellent. Sort of realizing that, we are not the hero, we are the sort of the mentor that they find.
Mm.
We're the Gandalf, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Morpheus, take your pick. I'm sure there's one in so many movies. It's
I
one of
like
them.
that mentor distinction.
Yeah.
I really like that mentor distinction. We're here supporting them on their journey, right?
Yeah, we're the sort of the expert, and so the hero has the potential, but they sort of have to put themselves into the hands of the mentor who's going to guide them along the way.
While the hero's journey highlights how clients can see themselves as heroes overcoming challenges, there's another essential storyteller in this journey, the lawyer. In the hero's journey, the mentor plays a critical role, offering guidance, tools, and reassurance when the hero feels lost. For law firms, this role extends beyond the courtroom. It's about sharing your own story, your expertise, your values, and why you do what you do to build trust and connection with potential clients. Your story as a lawyer isn't just a background detail, it's a key element in helping clients choose you to guide them through their journey. See, the thing about storytelling, it humanizes the law firm. And there's no better storytelling than when you talk about it yourself. John DeVries talks about this all the time. Thanks to my mom and dad, you'll be served by a lawyer who has genuine compassion for you and your situation. His parents struggled. They had to file bankruptcy. He goes into this with his intakes. I was lucky enough to have a family that instilled values in me that I've lived by ever since. A Vietnam veteran, Dad is the hardest working person I know, which accounts for my own work ethic. He also gave me a strong sense of personal responsibility. Meanwhile, Mom had a long career as a registered nurse. She taught me how to be considerate to everyone, how to be creative in finding ways to help others. She showed by example how to truly care for people. This is a huge win, getting that message out there. Matthew Fry, he talks about how he had to file bankruptcy. And this is a very, very important aspect that needs to be humanized. If my bankruptcy attorney has filed bankruptcy, okay, maybe there's something to this, right? And it's an important aspect that we need to bring in, humanize it. Okay. Once again, bankruptcy is embarrassing. You're not talking to anyone about it. You don't know anything about it. So you're isolated and confused and you're powerless. This is how we're getting away from that, right? Well, so here's the thing. We're here to support you, right? I mean, the bankruptcy industry is hard. It's hard for various reasons. One, the lead flow is so high. Lead flow is coming in so much, and a lot of people are not emotionally ready to file. They don't have the money to file, whatever the reason is, right? The whole key to bankruptcy, the beautiful thing about bankruptcy that I hear over and over, it's how transactional it is, right? You can generate an unbelievable income as a sole provider or one with two or three paralegals because of the transactional nature of bankruptcy, right? The key to that is automate as much as possible, and we can support you in many ways that come to mind or may not come to mind. So if any of you who are clients of ours want to do an audit on, hey, what are you doing? What are we not doing? We're here for you. And with 720, as you know, we're all month to month contract. We're not going to do a hard sell on you because the last thing we want is someone to sign up and then quit in 2 or 3 months. We want your success. Our greatest wins are when we have people years and years and years and years of being clients. So on that note, thank you for joining. Appreciate all your support. And of course, call us if you need anything. Have a great day, guys.